Hello, thank you for joining me. I'm going to show you how I weave the ends in a brioche work. I'm going to put a link to this gorgeous shawl that I've just finished. Once the pattern will be ready, I'm going to put a link down here in the descriptions for the pattern. So I have these ends here and I'm going to weave them in. So I'm going to put it on a tapestry needle. Now, you see I have these columns here, and actually you can do this on the wrong and in the right side as well. Just these kind of knit columns of the brioche that are coming out. So I'm going to pick one of these columns, which is going to be this one, and now I'm going to go through both legs of the stitch to the other side. And now from the side I just came out down to the stitch below, underneath both legs to the other side, and I pick the stitch below and repeat the stitch below and repeat. So I go a few stitches like this, and then I do the opposite direction upwards. Jimmy's barking, maybe he's seen some monkeys around. We had a monkey day here. Okay, so after I've done like 5 stitches up and down, I can cut the yarn, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on both sides. So you see, can't even see where it was anymore. And if I turn it, this is the other side. So again, it's really unapparent. And that's very easy, isn't it? Very easy way to weave the ends in. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you did. And you can continue following me also on Instagram, where I put all the stuff I'm doing. See you!